Begin by having your vehicle parked in a shaded area. Clean your badge with rubbing alcohol. Make sure the sides are cleaned on the emblem as well. Go over the area with the microfiber cloth to make sure there is no debris on the emblem and the surface is dry. Press over the clear transfer tape area to make sure the vinyl is released from the paper, but still attached to the clear tape. Use the top of the emblem to align your decal. Hover the decal until you are satisfied with the positioning of the decal. Once you are satisfied of the placement of the wrap, press firmly down on the area to ensure contact with the wrap and the emblem. Make sure you press around the edges of the decal as well. Slowly peel back the clear tape from the emblem, making sure the wrap releases from the tape, but not from the emblem. Once the tape is removed, you can go over the emblem and the edges again to make sure the decal is firmly seated.